I'd just like to take you on a quick tour of the Carmel Connect site for biology. First of all, you'll need to add the course. You're looking for A-Level Biology New Spec. Not just A-Level Biology, but A-Level Biology New Spec. Once you add yourself to the course and select that page, you'll see the following screen. The first thing you can visit is the Biology Bulletin. The Biology Bulletin is updated every week and it gives you an outline of the lessons, the directed study, the homework, and important dates such as when you're going to have tests on your GCSE work or the induction test based upon the first few weeks of the A-level work. Head back to the main page and select Year 1 Programme of Study for October. This will show you a timetable overview for this half term. It shows you the topics that you'll be studying each week in biology, any tests that you'll be carrying out, and it also shows you the work we'll be expecting you to complete as part of your directed study programme outside of the classroom. It also lists each of the homeworks that will be set on a weekly basis. You could also select the AQA specification. This document includes all of the details about how the course is assessed. It has a breakdown of each of the examination papers, the practical skills that you'll be assessed on, and it also shows you the subject content. So for example, for biological molecules, the first unit we're starting, it tells you precisely the content that you need to learn for the exam. We can then go to the AQA course textbook. This is a huge textbook. We've got copies of these in the lab, but unfortunately we're not using them at the moment. And this is a PDF file which you can actually even download to your phone or to your own tablets or laptops. And this is the full textbook for the 2 years of the course, officially endorsed by the exam board and written by your examiners. So this is an excellent reference source to help and support you with your directed study and with your homeworks. Scrolling down to the bottom of the page, you'll find biological molecules, the first topic that we're studying this year. You'll find a wide range of resources in there, starting with the preparation work. We've specifically put a booklet together to help build up and recap that knowledge that you should have for this topic from GCSE. Naturally, there's going to be gaps in that knowledge, especially with the disruption you suffered last year. But this document is designed to help build you back up to where you should have been in terms of your knowledge at GCSE. And there's loads of links to useful sites to help you complete that booklet. You could also find an electronic copy of the booklet that you'll be using for this topic, biological molecules. Open that booklet up and it's an electronic version of the booklet that we're going to hand out to you in the first lesson. You'll also find all of the homeworks for this particular topic are already there, so you can download those as and when required. If we open up, this is the first homework on carbohydrates. You will also find all the PowerPoints that we've used in the lessons as well. Here's the first one on monomers, polymers and condensation hydrolysis reactions. And as you can see, all of the presentation, all of the slides, including all of the model answers, are all there for you. We'll also add in completed booklets at the end of the topic with all the answers filled in. You'll also find the opportunity to vote for the animal that's going to be the mascot of your particular group. So you can locate your particular group and you can select from one of 3 choices of critically endangered animals that you
simply select
the
which of the 3 animals you'd like to be the group's mascot, and whichever animal comes out with the most votes will be the mascot for your biology group for the remainder of this year. And all of the biology classes will have an endangered animal species as their mascot. You'll also find lots and lots of resources to help you with your revision on Connect. There are many past paper questions, either broken down according to the particular exam paper they're from, paper 1, 2 or 3, or according to the topic areas that you studied. For example, questions on the biological molecules topic that you've just studied. You'll also find ways to structure your revision. So there are revision placemats. I'll open one of these up for you now. The revision placemats are designed to really help you structure some excellent revision notes which perfectly match the requirements of the specification. And they also incorporate a number of past paper exam questions with mark schemes to help support your revision as well. And they're available for each topic. Finally, going back to the main page, we've got revision techniques. This is an area of Connect which talks you through strategies that you can use to revise effectively for A-level biology, and includes a number of really useful video links which talk you through some brilliant strategies. It talks you through what your independent learning should look like and how to plan your timetable of revision. There's a section on maths skills which talks you through all the skills required, and you'll be getting a maths booklet which you'll be able to follow through and complete questions in, which will help to build up your maths knowledge and understanding. The final section is called Beyond Biology. This looks at some of the opportunities to further your understanding outside of the remits of the course, the Biology Olympiad, journals, TED Talks, Wellcome Trust initiatives, Nuffield research placements. There really are so many things that you can do to widen your horizons within biology.